Yesterday, a viral text message has been circulating in the social media regarding that there was a peace talk between the Kukis and the Meiteis under the aegis and banner of All Manipur Meitei Christian Organization. As per as our sources, I have been also contacting many people from AMCO, and many of them have not picked up the call also, and they have also get the information that there was no involvement of AMCO officially. And the MCCM, Meitei Christian Churches Council Manipur, also right now doesn't have any idea on this also. And International Meitei Christian Youth Assembly, one of the leading Christian organization of your organization Manipur, also me being as a brand ambassador, we also don't have any idea regarding this meeting. And people have been contacting us since yesterday regarding this meeting. And for now, we have a clarification that the Meitei Christian doesn't have much involvement. I don't say we don't have any involvement in this. We have not even got any information who are involved in this meeting also. And one more notification circulated by evening through this young Kuki letterhead to the Kuki Joe pastor, stating three important points. Point number one states that All Manipur Christian Organization no longer represents the Kuki Joe Christian community, as it represents most of the Meitei Christian and Naga Christians. So they are also creating a kind of a partiality where the Naga brothers and sisters who has not been involved in this violence has been also sidelined with us with the Meiteis right now through this letterhead. And also they accuse personally me that where were the AMCO when Rohan Films you ban him by creating so much of Christian platform and all. But as per as the information, like I have not created any kind of venom and anything. I have just stated out the fact that 241 churches of the Meitei Christians are destroyed by the Meiteis. Meantime, 8 churches were found to be destroyed by the Kukis. They belong to the location of Laikom, Sugnu and Kampopi, and some other locations. So we were trying to sort out only these mistakes of them. So getting rid of all this moral obligation, they started to spread so many informations to suppress their lives. And till now, if we want to have a peace talk also, it is my utmost humble request to both the communities that yes, of course, Meiteis have accepted their own mistakes, their apology to breaking down the churches and all. They have already stated the mistake that they have done from their side, but till now we have not found any organization, any individuals of the Kuki community breaking down or destroying of the mandirs or the Meitei Christian churches. They have not stated any kind of an apology letter or accepting their mistakes. So this is going to get a hindrance for the for peace for both the communities. So I would rather request that no misinformation should be created right now. And as far as the information, yes, we want peace as a Meitei, as a indigenous people of this Manipur state. We want peace in our state. And yes, being an indigenous people, native of this homeland Manipur, we never want our state to be separated into a so-called separate administration, which is a dream for some people. And we will never give this. And until and unless it doesn't matter of the Meitei Christians, Meitei Hindus and Meitei Sanamis. As long as Meiteis are bred in our body, we will never ever compromise for this so-called separate administration. But yes, we want peace, and for this peace thing and peace accord, both communities has to accept their own mistakes. So I would request the Kuki brothers to accept their own mistakes and rather come to a conclusion of peaceful accord. And I wish you a very best. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, and for the past 4 days, I landed at Silchar Airport and I came via road to Jiri, and we have been doing a very meaningful campaign called Punsin Kongchet in Manipuri, which is also called the Unity campaign of all the Meiteis who are gathered in different parts of Manipur. So also it involves Meiteis who are in Bangladesh, who are in Assam, Kasar, Hilakandi, Karimganj, even Upper Assam of Tinsukia, those Meiteis who are residing in Nagaland, and many parts of Northeast. So we are right now at a campaign where we are trying to bring together all the Meiteis together. And when I was so involved in this campaign of Punjan Kongchet, this unity, right? There was this rumors coming up from Guwahati that I was involved in this peace talk at Guwahati, where Rohan was involved in this peace talk between Kukis and Meiteis. Yes, of course, I would love to sit for peace campaign, but rather right now, rather than spreading agendas, when I am here in Jiribam, it's very unfortunate to come up with a statement from the Kuki side or whatever the sources that they get that I was there for the peace talk in Guwahati. So I would request our Kuki brothers to stop any kind of propagandas being spread, the propagandas for me by the young Kukis also, that they're accusing the entire Kuki Joe pastor, which is a loss of respect and protocol for the Christian fraternity also. And we are very sorry to hear this kind of statement, and we are very sorry for the Kuki Joe pastors to receive such kind of very unrespectful words from the young Kuki organization also. Rather, I would say, being myself a Christian, they should rather tender an apology to the entire of the Kuki Joe pastors, rather than accusing all the Kuki pastors in such a way, when people of the Kuki Joe pastors have come up with something a very useful and a fruitful way. Rather than appreciating this kind of initiative, rather it might not happen though, they are coming up and accusing all the pastors, that also the highest level of religious leader in our Christian pattern also. So I would request Kukis to come up with a conclusion so that we can briefly come with a solution with the prevailing turmoil in Manipur. Thank you. I had done a bicycle ride called Ichilinaw Singi Kogul Liba, which means like hunting down the bloodline of our own bloodline of the Meiteis. So there are many Meiteis who are not aware of. There is so much of Meiteis in Kasar, Silchar, Hailakandi, Agartala, even in Bangladesh. There are many Meiteis who are not aware of this much of Meiteis are here. So I would like to highlight the importance of Meiteis who are here in Assam and Agartala in Bangladesh. The importance of these Meiteis, that these people can also support in terms of morally, financially to the Meiteis who are here in Plain area also, and it's more over a bonding kind of a unity that is being created among the two bloodlines who have been residing in different places from few thousands and few hundreds of years ago. So the Manipur and this Kangleipa, the so-called Kangleipa, which we have been named a few years and hundreds of years back. These residentials who are in Kangleipa have a very bonding and relationship with the Meiteis who are right now here in Jiribam, Kasar and Silchar. So this bonding has to be interlinked once again. People have to know the importance, and people have to know the relation between the Meiteis who are residing here and in Manipur. So I'm just trying to bridge the gap that they should come together. That's all about what the right is all about.